You got me?
Yes. Puppets. Evidently the person must make them by hand or something. I haven't gotten any shipment notice or anything yet.
That's too bad. Oh dear, where's Martha's gift? I have to give Martha her gift. There it is. Kitty! Yeah, it's up there. I had to keep it up safe. Here it is. Gohan! Gohan? Let's start with you first. Okay? Didn't wonder what is it. Okay, here we go. Let's see what it is. Why? It's Uncle Sam's beef flavored snack rolls for you, Gohan. Merry Christmas. Kitty, it's alright. No. It's alright. Come here. Martha. Shh. Come on, Martha. Martha Jones. I got your present. Come on. Don't you want to see your present? Come on down, please. Well, I'm going to have to go upstairs. Martha? Shh. Look, I'm going to open this present for you. Martha! Brother. She won't stop till I give her a present. Martha, get back here.